Hello, friends. Welcome to the Speak Fluent English channel. Today, I'm going to explain the different types of pronouns in English. Pronouns are very useful words because they replace nouns, avoid repetition, and make our sentences smoother and easier to understand. In this lesson, we will learn 8 main types of pronouns: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, reciprocal pronoun. Let's begin with a clear and simple understanding of each one.
First, personal pronouns. These pronouns replace specific people or things. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Now let's see simple sentences. I go to school every day. You look very happy today. He plays football after school. She reads a book at night. It is very cold today. We are going to the park. They are my best friends.
Next, possessive pronouns. These show ownership or belonging. For example, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. Now let's see simple sentences. Mine. This phone is mine. Yours. The blue pen is yours. His. This jacket is his. Hers. The bag is hers. Ours. This house is ours. Theirs. The car is theirs. Now, reflexive pronouns. These refer back to the subject of the sentence. For example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, and themselves. Now let's see simple sentences. Myself. I made this cake myself. Yourself. You should take care of yourself. Himself. He fixed the bike himself. Herself. She cooked dinner herself. Itself. The door closed itself. Ourselves. We prepared the meal ourselves. Themselves. They built the house themselves. Next, demonstrative pronouns. These point to specific things. For example, this, that, these, and those. Now let's see simple sentences. This is my favorite book. That is a tall building. These are my new shoes. Those are very beautiful flowers. Now, indefinite pronouns. These refer to non-specific people or things. For example, someone, something, anyone, anything, everyone, everything, nobody, nothing. Now let's see simple sentences. Someone. Someone is knocking at the door. Something. I saw something strange outside. Anyone. Anyone can join this class. Anything. You can ask me anything. Everyone. Everyone is ready for the trip. Everything. Everything is fine today. Nobody. Nobody knows the answer. Nothing. Nothing is impossible if you try.
Now, interrogative pronouns. These are used to ask questions. For example, who, whom, whose, which, and what. Now let's see simple sentences. Who? Who is your best friend? Whose? Whose bag is this? Whom? Whom did you call yesterday? What? What is your name? Which? Which color do you like? Next, relative pronouns. These connect clauses in a sentence. For example, who, whom, whose, which, and that. Now let's see simple sentences. Who? Who is calling you now? Whom? Whom are you inviting to dinner? Whose? Whose car is parked outside? Which? Which dress do you prefer? That. That is the book I lost. Next, reciprocal pronouns. These show mutual action between people. For example, each other and one another. Now let's see simple sentences. Each other. They help each other every day. One another. The students respect one another in class.